Hello all, this is Jay, and in this video we are going to discuss about IAM security tools. So there are common security tools which this thing architect use. Okay, let's talk about those tools. So first one is IAM access analyzer. So it talks about least privilege and external access. The second one in the list is credential reports. So it includes MFA, key rotations, and all. And the third one, which is used, is CloudTrail. It is used for audit logging. The fourth one is Guard Duty. Fifth one is AWS Config and Security Hub. So this six service forms a core IAM security monitoring and governance in AWS. So the six are common tools which will be used by architect. So now out of this, we'll talk about two tools. So for the first one is IAM credential reports. So IAM credential reports provides an account-wide report. So in account-wide report, it includes the list of users that are present and then the password usage. So like password is configured, it is being used or not, the MFA status, right? MFA is configured or not, that will be visible in that report. And the access key, the age of the access key, when it was created and all. We will discuss this. I will show you all these things in a live in a minute, and then it shows the credential rotation status. Like how frequently we are rotating, or when it was rotated last. So this information is useful for IAM audit and compliance review. So this is mostly for compliance related. And the second tool which we will discuss for this video is IAM Access Advisor. It helps to identify user level details. So when we talk about user level details, it shows the service permission the granted to a user when those services were last accessed. So it will show you that you have a list of applications which is permitted, and so which I mean list of services like EC2, S3, and when those were used, it will show that. This information will provide a useful, I mean, it will be useful to revise the existing policies. Okay. So far, if you didn't not understand correctly, that's fine. Now let's move into a practical so that you can get a clear picture. Okay. So I just logged in. Let me go to IAM. First, I'll go under IAM, and first I'll show you the credential report. So I'll under the IAM, I'll click on the credential report and I'll download the credential report. So you see here the CSV file will get downloaded. Let me open it. Okay. So I have CSV file here. Let me just open it correctly. Yeah. So you see here the user. I'll just highlight it so it will be easy to read. Yes. So you see the user. So I have created two users and the ARN ID, it will be visible. And after that, so the creation date, it shows the password is enable. Yeah, so if the password is created, shows true or it will show false. And it will show when the password was last used, when it was last changed. It will show here. So the next rotation, if the rotation is configured, and so MFA, so multi-factor authentication is enabled or not. Access key, the access key, if you remember, we configured. So if it is configured, it will show as a true. And the access key rotation time and all. So all this detail you will see it here. See the other information like certificate detail and all. So this is what you will see under the credential report. So this will show you if there are stale user, like let's say if the user which are not needed. So that you can review the list and it can be deleted. And if the user is not changing the password and all, if something is missing, you can modify it after reviewing this. Now, second thing we'll discuss here is IAM advisor. Let me just see the user. I'll just open any one of the user. Let me open this. Mm, the permission. Just a second. So under user, uh, so this is like last access. So this is for access advisor or access analyzer. That's what we call. So here it shows under user, which is J, right? This is user. Under this user, which and all services are allowed. So let's say the permission, AWS user notification, and it shows when it was accessed last. So if you see 29 days ago, 85 days ago, so Amazon EC2 service, it was accessed 85 days ago. So all this, whatever the services is allowed, and when it was accessed last, that information will be visible here. So here, if you see any services which was used like long back, or if it was never used, that can be removed from the permission under from this user permission. So that we can verify from here. So this will be like part of best practices. Yeah. So for this video, this is the thing I wanted to show you. If this was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.